So let's proceed from where we stop. What is WordPress? So WordPress is primarily a free open source platform used to build and manage websites and blogs. So with regards to this particular WordPress, it's a software installer that will allow us to design a website. So in our previous lectures, we make mention of individual backend design website. They have to have the knowledge of CSS, HTML, coding, and so on. So with the help of this WordPress, which is drag and drop, you will be able to build website. The software that individual will be able to use without writing code is known as CMS, which is known as Content Management System. So let's proceed. Let's take a look of the next slide. The two types of WordPress. We have WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So regards to this particular WordPress.com, is a process whereby you have to pay for the domain before you'll be able to get domain with them. But regard to this WordPress.org, they will allow you to design website without any payment. So that's the differences between these two. So before we proceed, let me show us the type of website we'll be able to design with this particular WordPress. This is our primary source, where you'll be able to see your home, services, packages, and so on. So this is the particular website we have to design. This is our landing page. So this is our service section, which we have hotel, stores, flight. Then this is our next package, which is our most popular package, the particular package you wanted to achieve, if it is 12 days or 13 nights, and so on. So this particular website, it is one page website of a train. Individual that wanted to travel, they can book for their flight. So if you wanted to travel arrangement, you can click on here, cheap flight. You can select for the cheap flight if you don't have huge amount of money. Private guide, handle, package, tours, special activities, and so on. This is the word follow us. This follow us refers to our social handles, that if you wanted to visit, so that you'll be able to see the particular event that is going on. So this contact us, it means that you'll be able to contact individual about address, phone number, email. So regards to this, this is where you'll be able to fill your forms so that you can submit as well. So this our Flipboard, as we can see, is rotating. So at this point, let's go back to our main explanation. So let's take a look of this particular WordPress.org. As we said earlier, this WordPress.org, it is a free open source WordPress software that you can install on your system for practicing. So regards to this, let's take a look of terms on those particular designs. We have WordPress dashboard, which is the back end, front end, themes, and plugins. Regards to the first one, which is WordPress dashboard, which is the back end, is the location that we are going to design website. Let me give a scenario with a lady that cook food and bring it to her visitor. The view that the visitors will have is to see the particular food she cooked, the beautiful food she brought. But the fact is that there are some hidden secret that was done before she will be able to succeed bringing this food. She have to cut onions, water, she have to bring water, pot, on fire, and join those things together before she will be able to arrive in this particular delicious food she made. So let's take a look of the front end. So the front end is the particular site, which is the whenever individual visit site and they have access to see whatever is happening at the site, it is known as the front end. So this is themes. So those themes are known as domain options that you'll be able to attach to your website so that each team has their own functionalities. Like, let me give a scenario with Forminator. Once we are using Forminator, it will allow you to create a form. That's the essence of those particular themes. So we'll also have essential add-ons and so on. So this is plugins. The function of this particular plugins is for you to attach those your themes to your WordPress. So in our next class, I will show us how to design with WordPress. We are going to get our front end and back end so that we can start our designs.